Good morning, all of you. Let us continue our chapter volcanoes. You know, when the hot and very hot and molten material comes out on the Earth's surface, it is known as a volcano. It solidifies on the Earth's surface and forms a rock. Almost all the rocks which is present on the Earth's surface, it is because of the volcanism only. When the lava solidifies, it forms a rock. The first rock, igneous rock, and after the other rock form from this one. Now we will start the next topic, that is a distribution of volcanoes. The distribution of volcanoes, if you see in this picture, mainly the three reasons where they are marked as a 1, 2 and 3. The first region is known as if you see the first region, it was the eastern side of Australia, China and Japan, and it was the western side of the South America and the North America. Almost one circle was made. If you see, one circle was made, only the southern part is left. This particular reason, because the margin of a plate were there, and you also see here very active volcanoes are there. If you see, many active volcanoes present in the there. It is known as a ring of fire. Ring of fire means because it was appearing as a ring, only we have to put one stone here, gemstone here. It was appearing as a ring, circular in the shape. So it is known as a ring of fire. Now why fire? Because the active volcanoes are there, frequent eruption was there. So it is known as a ring of fire. The first reason is known as a ring of fire. It is also known as a circum-Pacific belt. Circum-Pacific belt because it lies in the Pacific Ocean. So it is known as a circum-Pacific belt. It is also known as a ring of fire. Mainly the North America, South America, Japan, South Asia, Australia. These are the part of ring of fire or the circum-Pacific region. Now the next reason also, see, it was between the Atlantic Ocean. It was between the Atlantic Ocean. Some volcanoes are there. See, between the Atlantic Ocean. It was the western side of Africa and eastern side of North America and South America. It is between the Atlantic Ocean. Many active volcanoes present in that region, and that region is known as the mid-Atlantic belt because it was in the interior of the Atlantic Ocean, almost in the center part of Atlantic. It is known as a mid-Atlantic belt. Many active volcanoes. If you see, the many active volcanoes are there in between. So the next reason of volcanoes are there. It was distribution when we are saying, see, the other reason also having few volcanoes, but the major volcanoes are there only, so we are talking about that. Now the third reason is a sea between the Africa and the Europe. The third reason, it is that particular region which lies mainly the Alps region of the American Europe. It is known as a mid-continental belt. It was many active volcanoes are there, like in the Mediterranean region, Stromboli, Vesuvius, Etna, all are the active volcanoes present in the there. So these are the three reasons of a volcanism, three reasons of a volcano. The circum-Pacific belt, ring of fire, where most of the active volcanoes present in the there. Mid-Atlantic belt, where the between the Atlantic Ocean, and mid-continental belt, where it lies some stress till the India also. So these are the three important reasons for volcanism, volcanic activity, volcanism which is present in the world, distribution of a volcano. Major reason is that only, though you will also see somewhere the spreaded volcanoes are also there, where like Kilimanjaro, a single mountain was there. Similarly, the scattered volcanoes are also there, but the majorly we will see the three major group was there in the world where these active volcanoes are present. Now next topic is the effect of volcanic activity. We will do in the next topic.